Hi guys, I'm here today to give you a science lesson. Who's ready to talk about the pH scale? So, we're going to talk about alkaline wash and your best friend from 8th grade chemistry, the pH scale. So, the pH scale ranges from 1 to 14, 1 being acidic, 14 being alkaline, and 7 being neutral. Your skin's ideal pH is 5.5, but it ranges between 4.5 to 6.5. If you have issues that are more like thicker, oily skin, acne prone, you probably have a more acidic skin. And if you're drier, still have some acne issues, and you're very sensitive, you might have a little more alkaline skin. Regardless of your skin conditions, alkaline wash is ideal for most clients. The alkaline solution that we have here at the studio is amazing. It brings your pH, the pH of your skin up from 5.5 to 12 in about 3 minutes. It's really fast acting, softens skin cells, dirt, debris, hyperpigmentation, and makes it easily wiped away. After a few hours, your skin's pH returns to that normal range. In order to maintain a good, healthy pH for your skin, there's a range of products that we offer here at the studio to help correct any issues and prevent any issues from coming up. If you have any questions or are not sure where your skin lands on the pH scale, just shoot us a message or book a consultation online, and we'll see you here at the studio. Thank you.